Welcome to JK Diksha. My name is Muhammad Riaz. Today we will discuss biosphere reserves, the role of biosphere reserves in protecting the natural environment, in preserving the natural environment. Biosphere reserves are established by the governments to protect large areas of natural habitat, to protect the flora and fauna, wildlife of these natural habitats. Biosphere reserves are a part of man and biosphere program to promote sustainable development. It is to improve the relationship between man and environment, to improve the human livelihood and equitable sharing of benefits, and safeguarding and protecting our natural environment for our future generations. People are allowed to work in biosphere reserves, and certain economical activities are allowed for social sustainability of the region, but destructive activities that destruct the environments, they are not allowed. Education, training, research and tourism are allowed in outer parts of biosphere reserves. To improve the tourism, improves the economic status of the people living over there, and that adds to the social sustainability of the region. In biosphere reserves, flora and fauna of that area is protected. Wildlife, many endangered species are protected, and their natural habitat, their natural home is protected for helping them to survive for many more years. Now we see every biosphere reserve is divided into three zones: the central core area, then buffer zone, and third one transition zone. The central core area is highly protected. No human activity is allowed in central core area. It is only for monitoring purposes. And the second zone, that is buffer zone, some activities are allowed where people can work. Grazing is allowed, and then tourism, education and research are allowed in buffer zone, and sparsely the settlements are also allowed in buffer zone. But destructive activities, any destructive activity that harms the that particular biosphere is not allowed. And then third zone, it is the transition zone. Here the people are allowed to live and work. There is settlement. This is peripheral region of this biosphere reserve, where cropping, recreation and other activities are allowed in a sustainable manner. There are 18 biosphere reserves in India, where different endangered aquatic and terrestrial animals are protected. For example, red panda, then Bengal tiger, and many more species.